Today feels like another day wasted. I've absolutely nothing accomplished. I've thought about loads of stuff. I've tried to develop things in my head, but achieved absolute zilch. Not good, is it? You need to go for me walk, and now it's dark. I should have gone for me walk while it was light, but I was busy earlier doing nothing. Tell you what though, got to about 6:10 this evening, and it was still light. Dusk, but it was still light. Oh, it does you good. Unless you're a goth, obviously. But what have I found? I was looking for a drum beat that I had saved to be used in a song. Now I've got to find out how you use it within the framework of the digital audio workbook thing, whatever it's called, the DAW. How that works, how can you drop in a live sample and then turn it into a song. I was messing around playing with a bit of keyboard the other day. I don't play keyboards, but I could do a couple of string pad chords which sounded good. Well, to me they sounded good anyway. I want to be able to just do some stuff and then copy and paste so I can turn it into a structure, rather than the way we had to do it back in the day when we had a cassette, a 4-track recording little Portastudio, and you'd have to play the entire song live because I'm a lazy bastard now. Plus I've only got one hand, so you know, there is that, I suppose. Do little 2 or 4 bars at a time, copy paste, work out the structure. Don't know if I can do it easily within this this workbook thing. It should be easy, shouldn't it? There should be something which really does narrow it down to its easiest possible way. Create 5 seconds, copy paste. You need to change chords, sound, record another 2 or 4 bars, whatever it is you want to do. That should be easy, that should be available. And if it isn't, I'm going to cry. I'm only joking. Like I've said before, I've had loads of songs. I've got a cassette Portastudio, but it's not particularly good. The sound quality is not great on it. As with most things, sound quality is not good when you've got old school tech. Now I've got all the tech that I need, and I don't have the hands to be able to do it with. If we'd have had this kind of stuff when I was growing up, we'd have made some amazing music, man. But it was literally just 4 tracks. If you wanted to do more than 4 tracks, you had to record on track 1, 2, 3, and then bounce them 3 together onto track 4. So you're left with another 3 left over. Then you could record tracks 1 and 2, bounce that onto 3. So in theory, you've got like, I don't know how many it was, a load of tracks. This is infinite. Record as much as you like. As long as you've got the memory on your computer, you can keep on going. I've got a really good mic. I've got an interface which I could plug a guitar into, which then turns it into digital, so I can go straight into the computer. All of that, all the stuff I would have needed back in the day, but I didn't have, and now I have got it. I don't have the hands to play this stuff. It's a little bit frustrating, but it's life. That's what I'm stuck with. You've got to make the most of it, haven't you? I can sit here and moan about it, or I can try and figure out a way of making it work for me. I'll tell you what, I'm going to figure a way of making it work for me. And if I don't and it sounds awful, at least I can say I've tried. I will be sitting there wondering, what if, because I will have done. Right, so I need to go and watch some YouTube videos on how to do this. I've watched loads and I still can't get it right in my head how to use this software. Maybe it's the brain damage, or maybe it's just, it's not syncing with me at all. I used to be brilliant with tech, I'm bloody awful with it now. Could also be that the fact that I'm getting old, couldn't it? That's what happens when you get old, you don't know how to use tech. Oh, I need to go for a walk as well. Still haven't done that. It's not cold or anything, so it's not too bad. I'll just do my normal Bart's head walk, so that should take about somewhere between 12 and 20 minutes, depending on how quickly I can walk and how many breaks I have to have along the way. So it's going to be about 20 minutes, isn't it? 'Cause I'm knackered, lad.